Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a quick unboxing on the monogram bill pouch from YSL. Let's take it out. So it comes with this nice box here. Comes with a dust bag. What is this? We have here the receipt, and I believe the authenticity card is in here somewhere. This is the tag. This is what it's called, and it is $465 Canadian with tax. It comes up to $525. Well, my boyfriend purchased this for me at the Yorkdale St. Laurent location. So let's take this out. This is 100% calfskin leather. There's gold tone metal hardware. There's one flat pocket on the outside, right here. And then there is, I believe, another one in, yeah. Oh, there we go. There's the pocket, it says St. Laurent, and then down there is the code. I would say this is pretty darn big, and for the price, I mean, like, the card cases are like $3 something for it, and I would say to add the extra and just buy this because it's a lot bigger. I mean, the card cases are about like this size, and this is pretty big, and this is nice for going out, and I think this is absolutely beautiful.